If you like brisket and you like tacos, you'll love this breakfast taco. Scrambled eggs and smoked brisket on corn tortillas. Take your corn tortillas and warm them up a little bit, just enough to get just a slight bit of color and to make them pliable. Once they're warmed through on both sides, you get ready for the fun to begin. I've already scrambled my eggs and I have some leftover brisket that I've mixed together. That's 2 eggs and about a half a cup of brisket, chopped brisket. Be sure and just place as much as you can on there, but always remember, the more you put in there, the harder it's going to be to close and not explode out the sides. There's no cheese on this taco. It's just meat and eggs, all the good stuff. If you want to put cheese, that's great. You kind of like a glue when you fold them over on top of each other. I didn't think I needed any this morning, so I went with just the meat and the eggs. So gently turn them over, flip them over like a little fried pie. Well, like a taco. These are, for some reason, these are great value corn tortillas, and they're splitting. I think they're dry. They've been in my fridge for a while. There's nothing wrong with them, but they dry out really quick. You can see they're kind of splitting on the edge. Does that make them taste any different? Heck no, not at all. You can see I'm folding them up, mashing them down, making sure they've got good contact. That griddle's pretty hot at this point. That's the reason I'm doing a voiceover, because that griddle's going and it's screaming and the downdraft is going. I don't want to talk over it. Anyway, flip them on the other side, get a little bit of color on the other side. I don't know about you, but my mouth's watering just watching this again. These go perfect with a hot cup of sweetened coffee if you drink that. It'd go good with just a glass of water or your favorite soft drink. You see I've got a little bit of spillage. No problem. I put that back in the tacos. And I use Valentina salsa liquid. They make 2 types of Valentina. They make one in a black label, and this is the regular. It's not too spicy. So thanks for being here on my channel and watching me make my breakfast tacos. Check out all my videos.